Good morning, everybody. This is David from the New Trader. This is Marie. Let's see which opportunities we find in this market today. SPY is looking a little bit strong, but at the same time, it's not trading way higher than yesterday or way above. I think it's not even above yesterday high. But definitely we're gonna be looking at what we can find to trade. It's looking strong. I say that because it's holding a certain moving average, but. I checked the news. We don't have big numbers coming out today. We had Red Book at 855, which came like a 0.1% higher. Expectations was 6.5, and it came 6.6, so basically in line, so which is good. So how are you doing, Marie?
I'm doing well, Davey.
Nice.
Seems like my voice is cracking a little bit this morning, but besides that, doing very well.
Yeah.
And what about you?
Nice. Pretty good, pretty good. Putting the time in. So, looking for
Yeah,
opportunities.
you've been very busy.
Yeah, you too. You don't stop ever. So, but yeah. So, Marie, is there anything that you are looking at? Is there anything that you would like to trade?
Okay, well, there's a couple of interesting ones. Some have popped up and I don't find interesting, so I don't think I'll be going there.
Mm-hmm.
There was the top in Arval for me was OMH and UNH, so these were just off the chart. I don't understand. I'm sure there's news.
The one that is like
related to it.
$1.14 OMH.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't trade that.
Yeah, and UNH and UNH super expensive, but
Yeah,
I'm sure they're news driven. It changed $12, so yeah, that one is a little bit odd. There's
What's up, my guy? Good morning.
Good morning, Zach is here.
Yes.
The other one is Irene. I like the fact that it's at a major support level right there at 28.70, 28.50.
Yeah.
So with a possibility right now, if I'm looking at the tape, there's a stack going up to 29. So it's a little, but if it gains momentum, it can definitely reach a 30.50. So I'll keep my eye on that one. Might place an order getting closer. And there's RR and
Irene have been holding decent prices, no?
yeah. So that's why I was looking at it. Like right now, it seems to be at a support level at 28.50, and with the possibility, a very clear possibility of going to 29.50, but that's $1. So, but we do have some big numbers that would be big orders that would be able to bring it to 30.50, which has been there not long ago. So, yeah, I'm gonna look at it when it's gonna get a little closer. Now, Billy's showing up on my chart this morning, and what a pop!
You have memory from that one?
Mm-hmm.
Just like that ain't truly crap. So I used to trade Billy a lot.
I remember.
Very long ago, and like I have been walking away from that. Like look at this chart. Like even. Yeah, yeah.
That says it all. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's very clear to me.
Sorry. It's just not looking like look at the big gap we have. I'm pretty I'm pretty sure. I'm not sure of anything, but like there is a big chance that this thing is just gonna give everything away as it did it previously. Like if you look in the 15-minute chart, every time that it have been popping up, like it just give everything away in less than 24 hours. So it's like, it looks like a stock that is doing very, very bad, and people keep buying it to averaging, and when they have some relief, they just cash out. So that's how it's looking like. Like we really don't know anything. So let's just see what the tape is going to be doing. But yeah, looking at Billy, not a price I will be interested on, but maybe you are.
Mm-hmm.
So.
Well, right now, what I'm looking at, if I'm going historically, there's definitely a top at 25.67, and this was the summer. I'm looking at 25.50 right now on the tape for Billy. There's definitely a significant participation. It's trading a whole lot more than it used to, though the volume right now is not significant. So I'll have to keep an eye on it, but yeah, I could be interested at 22.50 for Billy, but we'll see. Like you say, it's not crazy, right? And what about you? Would you be interested in something? Are you looking at something?
Well, right now I only have the order on AMD, and I start looking at like basically I would like to buy AMD at around 149.50.
Okay.
But as I was telling you, like probably I can give it a shot to the short. But if I'm gonna give it a shot to the short, I have to put the stop loss that is kind of tight because like I don't believe in the shorts.
Okay.
So I like right there actually I'm gonna take a little bit there actually. Like but as I say, it's not that I like the 151.73 seems to be relevant if you see you have 32 lot. But yeah, so AMD long or short with not believing in the short, like looking for probably something else, like little shares or whatever. So the other one is Tesla, but Tesla is I don't know what happened to Tesla from yesterday, but yesterday it was no water that can come down that fire. You know, like I mean, it was just going all the way down Tesla like during the day. So today it's looking ugly enough already. So, but the question is this gonna be reversing back and like finally going higher? Well, that's it's a big question there. So yeah, so Nvidia I didn't look at it yet, but Nvidia is looking not good, looking toward the downside as well. So you know I probably take AMD toward the downside because like let's see Nvidia. I don't know which one could be more juicy toward the downside, but Nvidia is clearly looking toward the downside. So with the difference of AMD, that is a little bit more undervalued right now at the price it is, I would say, for a day trade perspective. So, but yeah, that's it.
So you're thinking Nvidia too?
Yeah, but probably short because the way it's looking. PLTR is holding quite well too, but right now I didn't check PLTR too close. So yeah, PLTR. This is a lower low, lower highs. Yeah, PLTR is making lower highs, and but yeah. So I'm looking at all those things. My number one ticket, the number one gonna be looking at is gonna be AMD. Because I think that SPY want to rally up a bit, and if SPY rally up, rally a bit, I can really consider that the AMD is gonna be the one that is gonna move the most, because the others are already a little bit like higher. So, but yeah. AMD.
But if SPY rallies up, usually Nvidia is going there too, right?
Yeah. But basically what I'm saying in the thing I have here, like we can see on the tape actually too, like Nvidia is gonna face resistance right there at the the 169, between 169 and 70, while AMD to face resistance have to go above 55, 54, 154. So it's more dollars on AMD toward the upside than in Nvidia. So. But let's let it play. I already have my order for AMD, and yeah, I will keep you posted. So, what is the ticket that you are looking at the open? Do you know the range?
I've got a order here for PL.
PL, yeah, like ooh la la. He gave away a lot. He gave away everything. Well, not everything, but a lot.
So,
but you did very good on it.
Darn it. I was too aggressive for the order, but it's still not open, right? So we'll see if it's going to still pull back. See, they're changing too. Tape is changing as well. Darn it, darn it, darn it. So let's see. What am I able to do it at? Oi, oi, oi. Well, I'm going to leave that there, but... Okay, let's try to see. We'll see the tape. We should have some selling.
So we have 5 minutes. So what was that?
I'm looking. I'm looking at PL.
The only thing I would say, probably watch out for some chop at the open. So like, because SPY, we have to keep in mind that it's between those moving average. So you
Yeah,
know,
I think I will put a little order on Irene as well.
Irene, yeah, like I because I was looking at SPY and I was willing to look for a short on AMD.
Okay.
And that's a doubt. Like, I mean, I know for sure the trade I want on AMD is a long, but I was debating on my head inside. Like, I was insecure about, do I want to go short until the 149.50 because
Okay.
it's like about $2 down. And the answer to that is clear no. The reason for why I say no, at least not on AMD. As I say, we are too close to the support level, and we have a SPY that is close to what the price is supposed to be bouncing, in my opinion. So
Okay.
I just gonna hold it there. Like if I get the long, good. If not, I'm gonna be looking for another trade somewhere else. So it's better to not jump into uncertainty, especially when I'm expecting chops at the open.
Okay.
So.
So I got my orders in Irene as well as PL. We'll see if I get. We got Oracle too, going.
Oh yeah. Yeah. There we go. AMD just did a pop. Very nice pop. So I like the long in Tesla for a little bit. So I have an order to get some Tesla long. Normally will go without me. We're used to that lately.
Yeah, but then it becomes. Okay, so I got my first Irene.
Like something that happened on this, like I wouldn't jump because my order is correlated with the tape.
Okay.
So if you jump, you are on your own.
Okay, S-bet is looking
See,
interesting.
it looks like a possible reversal.
Uh-huh.
Well, we have 27 seconds for the open.
Okay, 15. And here
Market
we
is
go. I like that bell.
Why are you doing that noise? What is going on with Tesla? I need to look at SPY. Did you get anything?
I got S-bet.
Ivy. Pretty cool. You're alone?
I'm not.
SBT seems like to be your best choice. BDA. Man, what happened to Nvidia? I'm gonna be south on Nvidia and see if I move fast enough. If you get me out, I'm okay with that. It's just it's
For
looking like
which
crap.
one? NVIDIA?
Nvidia, yeah, it's gonna try to go higher for sure, but I think if I get the price I am offering, I should be able to survive. So I guess SBet is doing good.
Not quite yet.
No?
Right now I'm looking at
So I'm trying to
Irene.
Irene, okay. I'm gonna get Nvidia very soon. There we go, there we go. Let's look at Irene while I get that. Yeah, like it has a couple prices to be like right now 27.30, 27.40 seems to be an interesting price. So Nvidia for the short, as I say, I'm trying to be as disciplined as possible with NVDA. So right now I'm gonna have to change my price because modify the order. I modified the order. That's correct. Tesla is going nice, but I think he have more to give away. So just a little bit too slow. Come on, Nvidia. Pick me up. Nvidia is making it harder. I really don't want to jump for 10 cents, so
Excuse me.
excuse you. Yeah, better to miss the tree. There we go, Nvidia pick me up. I say it's better to miss the trade. I don't want to jump on the trade just because of yes. Like, you want to prove me that you're strong? Do it the right way. So Irene and Svet yet. Okay, Nvidia is looking like if it wants to go higher now, but if I am correct, I should be able to survive because, yeah, I got a decent price. And that's what I say. Like, I mean, I told you I have to go and look to that guy trades like the oldest guy I told you.
Yeah,
that-
yeah,
Like, I have to bring a little bit more calm to my trades, and like that's the best way to do it. You just really don't chase the prices when they are a little bit weird. So like you see that's okay. If that trade doesn't work, you just mean I'm wrong. But I shouldn't be taking much heat at that price. My friend Tesla, we're gonna take a little bit out.
You're gonna be dancing with Tesla?
Oh, I have a
I've
very
been dancing.
I have a very good trade with Tesla.
Do you right now?
Yeah, right now.
Right now, I like it.
It's just yeah, I'm trying to be patient with it.
So Zach didn't want to join us?
I think he will join us at some point. I have an order to take the partial on Tesla. So you know that he trade a little bit later, like
Absolutely.
the missed opportunity I had was AMD, but probably where is that thing? So AMD is at a very interesting price, that 154.
Okay.
Though I say I don't believe much in the short in this name, so I'm glad I didn't took it because it wouldn't work.
Ah, nice.
I'm sorry, my guy. I don't hear the calls. That's what he's saying. But yeah, I like right now. You say that you are idle. Like, yeah, I see you have I have one at 9:15. Oh, I'm so sorry, my guy. Like, just tell me right away. And like, he called at 9:15. I'm
Yeah, I
calling.
found it. You said, yeah.
Hello, my guy.
Aló, aló.
Hola.
Hola.
Bien, toi.
Pretty cool.
I'm trying to trade just one trade, one ticker today.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we go. I'm on IBIT.
Ooh la la.
Ooh la la.
Yeah, like did you see AMD?
No. Mm.
Skyrocketing. Well, right now it's pulling back.
Let me go see. ¿Dónde está?
Yeah, it's quite low right now.
Jeez.
Luis.
Jeez, a waves.
Oh, now if you refresh it, it's still that low.
Whew. Nice pop, eh?
Yeah.
But it never went below
Oh no,
151.
no, like as you said,
50.
you never try it.
Yeah.
Zach, what are you looking at? What type of trade again? Well, what ticket actually? As you say that you are just looking at one.
I'm looking at IBIT. Some moving.
Okay.
I like that.
And I'm looking on SPY just to see confirmed.
Okay. Did you see Hood yesterday?
No.
It joined the SP 500. S&P 500.
Joined?
It's in.
Yeah. Nice rally.
Yeah. Why I keep doing that?
What's that big breath?
Ha. No, not much, Marie. Yeah. I think I'm a bit tired. No. That's not the price I want. So I have AMD short, and that's not the price I want, so I just canceled it. I pressed the wrong hotkey. You still have Irene and Smith?
Mm-hmm.
Now Irene is at the 27.30. Sped. Yeah, Sped is coming back up.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I think I took the partial on Tesla. No, it's about to. You're funny, Tesla.
Why is it being funny?
Why Tesla is being funny? Because just like, what time is it? It's 9:44. Look at, you'll see Tesla in 30 minutes. Tesla is cooking a big move. I don't know toward which direction, so if I am wrong, I'm gonna pay the price. But I even removed my partial from there because the way it's looking like it's building up momentum, and there we go.
Where are you,
Oh
Tesla?
my goodness.
Where are you, Tesla? Whoo! 350 though seems to be.
Yeah, seems to be heavy. 350.
Yeah. I had that yesterday as a level.
But it's a psychological level, so that's why I kind of don't care much. There we go, Tesla. It's, that's a tricky one, I have to say, but it's cool. I like it.
Oh, did you say something about your R multiple?
Yes.
Yeah, because it looks way better.
Yes, it is. Yeah, it's more reflecting, but like, you okay?
Yes, yes, of course.
It's reflecting more what it's supposed to be, but at the same time, it's always gonna be off because what happened is that the way the software calculated is totally wrong. So like you see, what you do, that you sometimes risk 25 cents, other times like that's the parameter that is supposed to be using to calculate it, but it's not the parameter you use. You only calculate.
It doesn't adapt.
Exactly. It's a fixed amount, and like you don't risk the same amount in every trade. Like I mean, we have a maximum, let's say, that we want to risk, but then in other trades you will risk less than that because the trade just doesn't worth it. Let's say the thing we were talking about, that
Absolutely.
instead of giving 50 cents, let's give it 15 cents. And those are the samples where it just doesn't do as good. So yeah, Tesla. Look at Tesla there. I knew. It's
What is it doing at the
it's
350?
It's gonna go to 360 today.
Wow.
That's what I'm thinking. I'm not sure about it, but like it's looking like the 350 just probably now is gonna pull back.
Chomp chomp, no problem.
After it's across the 350, it's holding it by the penny. So that's why I kind of I'm doing so good on AMD. I have to do something with AMD. So AMD pull back my guy a little bit more. I know that was not everything you had. You were a bit extended. So I like it the long on AMD, to be honest. And I never took it because he never offered it. But ooh la la, that's a good trade. That's a very good trade. So
There we go.
what was it?
Go there we go.
Yeah, we are doing good on that one. Well, yeah, we are doing good in all of them, but that one a little bit better. Yeah, so I was saying I wanted to go long on Hood, no, on Hood, on AMD, but like it never came to my price. And now after the fact, it may come to my price because right now that pullback is not looking good. You know, like it's gonna go what 152 and retest the 200 moving average and then come back up. I don't think so, especially with that gravitational level that he have in the bottom there. But I won't wait for it. Like I just gonna take some right now when you make a lower low again. And like yeah, do whatever you want. But I am on Tesla, so I have to pay attention because I almost take partial in the wrong one. Look at that. Look at that thing.
Ooh!
Sorry, Zach, we are killing you, but it's that we almost don't hear you. Are you, do you have a way to bring up your mic, like your...
You hear me there?
Yes, it's getting better. Like, we can adjust it until the noise is not too bad. Let's see. Like, can you bring it a bit higher?
I cannot, the highest.
That's
You are the
looking
highest,
good.
okay, so let's see. Okay, there is not that bad. And we can hear you.
Mm-hmm.
So how are you doing?
Pretty good, you?
Yeah, I hear you very good. I hear you perfectly. So
That means too loud, or?
this thing is too loud yet?
Hmm?
Like the noises that we make here are too loud for you?
No.
Okay.
Okay. I was just asking if you hear me too loud, or?
No, I hear Joe's perfect now. You hear him too?
Oh, yeah. Absolutely.
Are you doing good?
Yeah, it's.
It's cool.
Let's see what that does.
I have a couple days doing very good. I know, like. Since I came like with I said to Maria, gonna grab the ball by the horn. So and like, we are putting that in practice and it's really doing very nice. So like, look at that Nvidia. Like I mean, I say, yeah, I will take some heat on the freaking price that I took, but if you're right, it's supposed to print. So now it's printing. So I have to take some partial on both of them. Even AMD, I have to take partial too. So that's NVDA right there. We're gonna ring the bell one more time.
Nice.
So push it, lower a bit, my guy. No, lower, go down.
See, on your stream is showing 1 hour.
Exactly exactly. That's way more than 1 hour. Like, but it's okay. I prefer it like that because then it will show like 20 hours and people think that I am getting rich soon. But yeah, it's not like that.
You're funny.
Couple of 20 hours, and it might be.
Yeah, for sure. It's
Wow. Hood. Oof.
yeah. I look at Hood, but it wasn't interesting for me when I look at it. So in NVIDIA, I'm gonna put the partial manually because I don't wanna be welded to it. So I have the order to take the partial when you make a lower low, which I don't think is gonna go too far from there. That's why I didn't like the fact that I hesitate too much on that one. But I could be right. SPY right now under the water, so this. Oh, but that's something I can do. You know what? I am not taking partial on NVIDIA, but I will partial on AMD and I will partial on Tesla. And on NVIDIA, I am breaking even
Okay.
because NVIDIA it shouldn't go any higher than 168.50, I will say. So like, but like I could be wrong, and because I could be wrong, I'm breaking even. Of course, my price is hanging up so far in there that I don't think it's gonna get me. But In AMD, I say it's the one I'm gonna be taking partials. So once AMD make another low, I'm gonna take another partial. That's a good trade, man. So order is in for me to take the partial on AMD. You know why I didn't take partial on Nvidia? Because I think Nvidia is just halfway through. Oh yeah, Nvidia is just halfway through.
Kidding.
Yeah. So while AMD is pretty much like you saw me. I was looking long. I wasn't looking short on AMD.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I'm just gonna take another partial. Whatever it wants to do, I'm gonna be okay with that. Tesla is coming back down, and I don't want Tesla to go against me too much because Tesla was. Do I still believe in it? Yeah, I still believe in the move actually. I definitely believe in the move yet. If you ask me why, basically when it flush, it went up again,
Okay.
and when it went up, it hold trading prices above, which were above even 350, which was the biggest order.
Okay.
So that's why I say I'm totally okay with Tesla. I won't let it go too far just because it doesn't worst it. Like, if we're having a good day, let's not mess it up, you know? I don't know what happened to SPY, but it is not looking good right now. It's definitely not looking good to the long.
It's reacting well to the 648.60. We will see. And right now it's retesting the PCL. Is it gonna go through? Let me look at the tape. 649.15.
I'm adding to the short on AMD. My price allow me to do that because I have 154, and right now it's at 152.75. So I have a little order there to add at 152.97.
Mm-hmm.
My guy, do you have any trade, or you're waiting for it to be 10 o'clock?
I have orders, but I don't have trade.
Okay.
Man, that bounce on SPY was exactly on the level.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, like I had the levels for SPY too, and I am looking
Yeah,
at it.
648.60 was a really strong level for me.
Which one?
648.60. That's the level I've had for about 2 weeks.
Very cool.
And then we've got 649.10. It's right there. Let's see what it's going to do. Got mixed tape there. That's normal. It's at the VWAP.
So I know myself with Tesla normally with any stock. So I'm gonna put the stop loss from the good to go. 346.74 is going to be my stop loss for Tesla. 346.74.
So let's focus on you. Oh, well, that's a shame. Way too aggressive.
346.74. And what I want to do, if you go there, is to sell it. Okay, stop loss is in for Tesla, just because of like the market is, the spike went back up right now. And Zach was saying that was from a level, right?
648.
Yeah, it's a monthly low.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what I thought. I had it there for a very long time.
So in Nvidia, as I said, I decided to break even, and like it's funny because it went 368.50. Actually, it went 368.67, and then it's just going down again. But like what I mean, it was um, a bit hard-headed there from I would say the buyer or whoever is pushing that up. AMD looking to go higher, but like I mean, look at my ad. Like that's exactly the price I want to add. For there is a reason why. So I'm like,
What's your reason?
like in the tape, there was a seller and there is a level, and the level is below the VWAP, and yeah, I just wait for it to pierce it. Like that one, I probably should be breaking even too, but I won't because I should be okay allowing some risk on that one.
Okay.
Man, what is SPY doing?
Right now, kaboom.
Yeah, but look at those two candles. They are horrible toward the upside.
Mm-hmm. Printed. Right now, it did a higher high.
Yeah, but like,
So my levels were 648.60, 649, 649.62.
what was that?
It needs to fill that wick.
Yeah, I'm gonna be out of Tesla on my own. But I don't wanna be out red on Tesla. It got me out anyways. So as I say, I have a reason to go short. Tesla didn't hold, though we print. I should be taking partial, but hey, after the fact, it doesn't count. Now I have a cool position. Like it's a full position for both trades. Though AMD is manifesting a little bit less than Nvidia. Still believe in the trade. I have to let it go a little bit more to see if we're gonna be correct or not on that one. Nvidia, as I say, breaking even and no stress on that one. But in PLTI, I have to be careful because it can go higher. Like I still have 153.50 as side entry.
Okay.
But I can go higher. Like that one shows already that there were buyers on it. And we say it was very close to the level of support.
Right?
So,
You called it.
Zach, let us know if you got any IBIT at some point. Maria!
I got it. PLTR loan.
You got PLTR loan?
Uy.
Let me look at that.
That was insane wick.
I went.
We just had a candle that covered $1.
On the SPY?
Yep.
Aye, aye, aye. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I am not putting that in there, so.
That's incredible.
It's funny when you realize that you have way more information available than what you were thinking about, because like but it's irrelevant too at the same time. Well, it's not irrelevant, it's just not as important.
Okay, talk to me.
I noticed that one of my charts,
Mm-hmm.
like for example the chart I am showing to everybody in the show,
Mm-hmm.
like that chart, I none of my chart I should be changing the time frame, because like for example this one, the colors I have set up here and the moving average,
Mm-hmm.
they are not natural. Like I mean, I had to calculate them to convert them to 200. So whenever I'm looking at a 5 minute,
Okay, okay.
I am really not looking at the same thing. Like those moving average are off. That's what happened when I changed the time frame, because I calculated to be in the 1 minute. So But then when I am looking at the other chart that has not the same indicators but similar moving average, and they are also non natural, we are looking at a moving average that has a 10-minute in here, and we are looking at a natural 5-minute moving average.
Okay.
So, and what is happening here is that I am noticing that though SPY was in the choppy section, the even the bigger time frame is still pointing toward the downside. So I'm like, it's legit. Like that's what it did, and it's I'm a bit confused, I have to say, because now I am doubting if I convert that to the 5 or to the 1.
I don't convert mine, so like
Look at that candle, Andy. Look at that candle. It just pop out like whatever it was there.
well, look at the candle on SPY. Like, tell me those candles are normal? Are you kidding me? Check SPY.
Oh my goodness.
Come on, $1 candle?
But there was no any news.
Nothing.
So my guy have PLTR long.
Where is that? 648.70. Yeah, okay. Freak, you're kidding. At least it's not a lower low. So SPY is gonna 648.70. Again. What a rangy little. Bleep.
Yeah.
Bleep. Okay. Right
I cannot let
there.
it go. I'm gonna have to check that out. So the dotted one supposed to have. Yeah, my assumption is wrong.
Okay, tell me more.
That happened. That only happened in this one in the 1 minute. But in the 5 minute, it doesn't happen the same because I calculate the 1 minute for the 1 minute and the 5 minute for the 5 minute.
Okay.
So when I look at the 1 minute and it become to be like when the 1 minute become a 5 minute, it's not the same than when I am looking at this one that is 5 minute. This one is naturalized for be 5 minute, but this one when it become 5 minute is that I can see farther. So it's, yeah, it's okay.
You're spinning my head. I'm glad you're not confused. Hi.
I was a bit, not anymore.
Yeah, you explain me more and I'm more confused. So, I...
Just ignore it. La 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 la.
La 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 la. Oh yeah. Do you want to put this in the
Zach, are you still on BLTR? check you out because it did move in your favor.
Yeah, the trading do nothing's working.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, I had limit orders and they weren't filling.
Yeah, it's quite bored right now. So you have a joke?
I'm so bad for those. I love them. Don't get me wrong. Like, I would laugh myself my head off, especially with my grandkids when they do those kids jokes. That let's go. Wow. Well, I got myself out of that one.
Which one is that? Isabel?
No, Irene.
Irene, okay.
I started my price at $28.60,
Mm-hmm.
at $28.70, and now my price is $28, and it's popping well above that. So I'm gonna have to do a little tutorial on that one, on how you can.
Well, go for it. Like,
Holy cannoli! Look at that. Like at one point,
yeah, you were down. And
you
then,
saw how down.
yeah, and like.
Better than my price, and boom.
But that's part with the elasticity of those trades. Like you see, like some trades I am giving it a lot of room to move against me, and then you make like double of it. Like yes, it's not 20 out of a trade, but at least you are not shaking out, and your idea get to be manifest because you were right. But that's if you have the feeling that you are right sometimes, and you just if you
And
feel
it's
that
not
you are
every
getting
time.
shake out a lot, just reduce your size and try
Correct,
to go
right?
for.
De-risk and add at a better price. De-risk on the pop and add at a better price. Look at SPY, eh? Okay, so it's at my level now at 649.62. Eating it up like it's hungry.
Like you remember yesterday we were saying like the SPY have the market have like the skill of convincing you
shake.
that you were so wrong and then no you were right, you know. Like but yeah I don't know like this is what SPY is looking bullish. Like I have been looking bullish at SPY from before the opening. Maybe my concern is that it's not clean move.
Okay. Almost there. Let's go. Whoa, I am so close to taking my first partial. It's going to be a huge one.
Nice. Let me know.
Let's go.
I think you have a Discord because I had you in the past.
What?
You have a Discord account. Yes, you do.
Me?
Yeah.
Huh? Okay.
Yeah, for you to like because you say you want to do a tutorial and not just for that, also for us to share your screen at some point. Like we can do it with Discord.
Okay.
We're gonna be able to see whatever you wanna share with us. So. And the button, I just gonna buy a separate button that is like a red button.
Oh,
no, it's for real. Like, and you're gonna have it around there, and you just bang it,
Bang!
and ring the bell.
I love it. Bang. Okay.
So something
Getting
I
to the
say today, I don't wanna. Well, today no, I said it yesterday to Marie. I don't wanna hold trades for the day. So, like, I know those trades they could be pretty big, I will say, but I
40, let's go.
I think it's gonna be better if I just cash out before because I haven't had the time to treat the trade properly afternoon. So
Right? You're very busy in the afternoon.
yeah, like so let's just probably keep it the way we can.
And here we go. We took the partial exactly where I wanted to take the partial.
I need my binocular to look at look at you. That's a spec?
No,
Irene?
that is Irene.
Because I was having more hope for a spec.
Mhm.
Spec, I don't know how it's called, that thing.
Okay.
Oh,
So we'll see if I'm going to take a double partial there or wait for the 29 because that's a lot of dough right there. I got a full position on Irene that I've been building and bettering.
And Tesla,
My
I feel
price.
it's such a mistake for me to be out of Tesla, but do I really want to shoot it? Yeah?
Sorry. Have you seen my nerve trade?
No,
Is what?
I
Did I
think it
hear
was,
Nerf?
ooh la la.
Did I
It's
hear
N-
Nerf?
Yeah, it's about N-E-U-P.
Nerve.
NERP.
Nerp, not Nerfa. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. We woke in our trading dog. But wow.
Ay.
Thank you, Dumbo. He's come to celebrate with us.
Pretty cool. Yeah, so do you think it's gonna reach the prices we were talking about? We don't have to say what it is if you don't want, but like
You remember the 1 year target
yeah, more or less.
people were giving it?
Mm-hmm.
When it was at $9, people were saying that it will go to 21.
Mm-hmm.
That was already a good price. Now it's 40.
Ooh la la.
But I think that it can go higher. About that.
Oh my
They
God.
didn't announce the news yet.
Yeah, like they haven't said much. People are already ramping it
Just
up.
that
Let's add right there. Go back to Irene. I might be taking a double partial there. We'll see.
Like with what I'm doing for the times I am only trading, it's gonna be better because like
Yeah, no, I'm not taking double partial.
I have been holding trades pretty much every day. It's like
Isn't that cool?
it is cool because at the
Oh,
end,
you mean after we finish?
yeah, like
Oh, yeah, no.
but that's what I mean. Like the time that we
You've been so busy.
but at the time that we just trade, let's say, it will be very cool because I told you that's something I like to find. It's like the longevity of the trades. Like, and basically it's like you hold as long as you can because normally when you got a good trending trade, it doesn't matter the direction, like if it's up or down. If it is really trending, the best time to liquidate those trades is around 3:30 in power hour. So, like if you are able to look at them and really wait for that time, that should be about the peak of it. So,
Really? Do you have enough strength? Do you have enough strength to get to 29?
just watch out, SPY, or it doesn't have anything to do with SPY.
Well, it's testing the PCL.
So you got the train now, Zach, or not?
Let's go.
Got a trade? That was the question.
Yes, like I think you were trying to get Ivan Novo.
Yeah, I have an order on Ivan, but I got a TLDR short.
Happy LTR short. Ooh la la. 85.50 is looking good for that. But it probably doesn't have much sizes at the tape. Yeah, like the tape is suggesting 85. Oh, it's going already. No, like 85. What I'm talking about. What was that?
Having trouble on the view up.
The price I was trying to say, that I say it wrong 3 times, is 159. Like if you see half 49 lot, 50 lot, and it's building up. La, 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 la. So I'm gonna take a decision with Tesla. Let me see if I want to get Tesla back or not. No, I don't want to get Tesla back. It's okay. It may work, but just like SPY is looking quite weak, especially after those maneuvers and demonstrations of power. It's like now looking like crap. So
Spy.
yeah. So like if you zoom out, you will see that from the open we are quite low right now. Why that chart looks different? Oh, it's because in mine I'm seeing the opening range.
Right now it's right there in the open, at the open price.
No, I'm looking at the wrong chart again. Oh my
Yeah.
goodness.
Because right now it's going to retest the VWAP, and I believe it's got enough to go through. We'll see. We'll see.
Google. Google is still on the hype. Oh yeah. Mhm.
Can I reload?
I'm not adding to Nvidia, but I will be adding to AMD.
Okay.
Just right there. Made a hotkey mistake.
What did you do?
Got out of AMD by mistake.
Spy at the PCO.
Come on, AMD. There we go. Now I got a better price.
Nice.
I feel tired.
Mm-hmm. I wonder why.
Let me look at PLTR. Get success short PLTR short.
Do you still have vacation days?
Yeah, I should have it, but I don't want to take them because we're gonna go.
Yeah, but you'll have new ones in January.
Yeah, but then I have less for that date. So
Yeah, but you should have your full allotment in January.
I know. Let me think about it.
Okay. Do you want to build a snowman?
No, I'm not ready for the snow, so keep it in Quebec. Where this guy is. My guy, did you survive PLTR short? No.
I don't know why. Not working.
Probably like
Excuse me.
it's just my opinion and it's your strategy. You know more than me about it, but like probably you have too many levels to close. But like yeah, it's the reason why my opinion is irrelevant there is because the way you are trading it, it makes sense. Because you are like if from what you told me, you are keeping like very tight stop loss based on those levels too.
Mm-hmm.
So at the end, it's like yeah, don't listen to me. It's no, it's true because like I am trading, like I am looking at your things, but I am looking in a way different way. Like I mean, it's different style of trading. So I'm like, I don't want to contaminate the thing you have been doing.
The thing I'm doing doesn't work.
Well, you have good results from the back test, so if it doesn't work,
Why the back isn't working so well?
Like for example, today, if I just look at that, I will have no trades. The reason for that is because the levels I put, and like I'm gonna talk to you later about that. I'm using a different time frame than you, but it didn't touch any of those levels. Like I am basically evaluating toward which of them is gravitating, and then I look at the tape. If the tape confirm it, I go with the one that is pulling or pushing, whatever. Like I can actually send you a picture of what I'm talking about. Like, and I put a line where the levels are like alpha or whatever. I don't know how you call it, but like I mean it's like by the penny. Like I say, if it goes there, it will be interesting because it shouldn't go through that. And like when it goes to those prices, it's respected by the penny. But they don't get hit every day, so I put a different color line there. Like you remember what we were talking about, why from one side it bounces and from the other it doesn't? Like, and I was telling you that from my observations, when there is a way lower volume, the lowest the volume in there, the highest probability of. So what I did is that I went in a way too big time frame for sure. It's way too big, and I put a big yellow line in there. So like I can show you a couple bounces from there. But, let's see which one I do have the lines.
Big pullback.
I know. That's why I have shorts.
Great job. Robin Hood after the bell.
Ow. So in the picture I sent you, don't look at the spectrum because the spectrum is not correct in that one, but the level is correct. And like the red line that you see is what I consider, like from the evaluation, is what I consider the strongest, where the strongest bounce supposed to happen is the red line. And it did bounce 3 days ago, but then it stayed trapped in the middle, and that's why I say like now I'm expecting it to go back in there, and if we go back in there, I will be going long again from there. That's Nvidia. So I have to do more work. Like I have to sit down and do Google and do other names that I will be willing to trade. Like that, when I have nothing, at least I can pick another. So, like today, as I say, like none of the level got tested. Oh my god, I forgot to eat breakfast again. So.
Okay, well, I know what to do when I come in.
Ay, ay. It's like Sunday. I woke up at 4:20. Yeah, and I come down, I start working and things like that. And like, I didn't drink coffee. I didn't eat breakfast. People wake up and I didn't register. So then she was up and she say, "You guys haven't ate anything?" It's like. So it's like,
Go, Larry, go.
How do you forget to eat?
That's a good question, Davey. How do you forget to eat?
I don't know, Marie.
Freak. How do we forget to eat?
So I'm going counter on AMD. So that's why I say that you hear me saying from long ago on Nvidia, I am breaking even. I don't care what it does. I am not taking partial because Nvidia have a lot to give away toward the downside. But Nvidia, AMD is not that case. So probably on AMD, once it hit 152.20, I'm gonna have to take some partials. And I'm being optimistic about that one because like 152.20 is still $1 below. La 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 la.
So that's the market sound? Correct. Holy
smoke.
all this smoke. I think we need to get you a pillow.
Bloody ordered a pillow for me, but
Oh,
it
nice.
haven't
Good
arrived.
job, Larry.
Oh, I think she says that lumbar pillow.
Me gusta.
Probably came with the chairs.
Tingle?
You have our logo, I'm pretty sure. She doesn't know, I know, but why would you ask me for those? So
The same company of the chairs.
but I'm assuming all that. I know that I'm supposed to receive a pillow, but I don't know if it's from the chair or not. Oh my goodness. I'm glad I didn't took the long on Tesla. I haven't looked at Tesla, but I'm pretty sure right now it's looking like crap. Yes, it's looking like crap.
You're hilarious.
Are you kidding me? It came from 350 to 344.
That 350, we knew, right? That was a toppy top.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, like
What a toppy top.
like at some point we're gonna get so good at trading just because we will remember that doesn't work, my guy. You know that what you're doing there, it doesn't work. Like you are trying that, it won't pass there. How many times it didn't pass? So
So there.
Oh, the
Okay,
picture you
so
sent me is using a 3 month.
6.
6 months.
Actually, I have both. I have 6 and I have 3 because in the 6 there were some that I wasn't able to see, but it's both. Yeah. Man, you just have to look at the tape when it touched those. Like I know right now you don't have the tape, but like you're gonna get it at some point, and you will see what we are talking about. So just being clear, it's your thing, you know. Like I am very thankful, man, that you always keep improving yourself and those things and sharing with us. Like man, like PLTI was by the penny. Like I remember, it went 1 cent above. But that 1 cent above, we can say I did fucked up and like I didn't put the level correct. But 1 cent out of $161, it's okay. You know?
1 cent. It's so frustrating, right? Like in PL.
Oh, that one I got it. You know,
Okay.
that one I got it. That one I was in that tray and I love it.
PL, I had my level.
The
I
news might be done for us.
front run it. Never got me. Popped. Went without me, and you're just. Wow.
So it was one of those that didn't get you by the penny? That's when you say
So-
you were too aggressive, right?
Yes.
Gotcha.
So I went too aggressive on my price. So if I'm looking at PL now.
So right now, this is AMD. AMD have a quite heavy bid right now, and it's not holding. So if it doesn't bounce from there, like that won't be looking good. Like the bid really step up on that, and I see like yeah, let's see what it can do. The buyers didn't wait enough this time for Nvidia, for AMD.
What's going on?
I'm waiting for AMD to do another low for me to take a partial. I sleep too much on it, and but at the same time, I'm not stressed about it because, as I say, like the buyers push up way too early, so they're gonna get slammed very soon.
Okay.
That's what it's looking like. I don't know. I say the bid was quite heavy, so it's supposed to step up, and it is stepping up. But at this time, to be that aggressive, it's looking like a turn down because it's just gonna trap people to the long. Like if you look on AMD, we have two symptoms here that say like this thing may go lower. One of them is that like I'm gonna bring it to the 5 minute just to make sure I'm looking at the same thing I'm looking in the other time frame. Oh my goodness. Okay, so basically, where is my Epic Pen? Like this is where are you, my guy? Right here. Have to travel so far. So this is the previous high. Why Epic Pen is not working there? So Epic Pen is not working there. So this is the previous high, like the opening high. Then you made a lower high, but then you have like this is from the higher, like from the high of the day. You have this big sell-off here, and then you have from the lower high having a big sell-off here. So what that's telling me is that whoever is dumping this thing is even trying, like this could be somebody dumping it in front of the other just to, because he was dumping it at 54, but he got to 54. And the other thing is that if you see after the flush, like this went like, well, it went as aggressive, I would say. Like one candle, then green, but like probably because of the time, I would like to see more sideways move before we really go back up. Because the way this is looking is like
A little bit more consolidation there.
that's what I would like to see, but I don't see enough consolidation for the buyers to be as aggressive because we
Okay.
saw on the tape that they really step up their games. But if you see like very thin ask is able to push the price down. So that's why I say the actual price that I will be concerned if you break, it will be 152 again, 152, 153.00 or 152.90. Once you go below there, next target will be 152.50. But yeah, let's see. Let's keep it nimble.
Yeah, I'll check that out. I just want to see what Irene's going to do right there.
Yeah, Spy is doing nice there. It did like a type of double bottom.
Mm-hmm.
But the second one pierced it, and like normally when it pierced it too much, and that's a big pierce in there, in the second bottom.
At 10 cents.
Yeah, like probably it's just gonna. Let's see.
Now interacting with 648 again.
I can be out and happy
Look
right
at
there,
the
but like,
RSI.
let's see if we can get to those numbers just by partialing. Like the RSI on what? On a Spy?
Mm-hmm.
The RSI I have in the 5 minute. Okay, I see. Yeah, perfect. What about the 1 minute? It's a big RSI actually. Like in the last two candles, it really bounced back up. That's a very cool observation. I have to say that that's one of the most reliable things I have read from the RSI.
For what?
The hint that you gave me about
Mm-hmm.
how it bounced, and like, it's pretty cool. Cool stuff.
Look at you.
I have so many stories with the RSI because what happened is that when I started learning about trading at the beginning, real beginning, I was looking at the RSI and a friend of mine say like, "Oh, don't look at the RSI because it always stay behind. It's like it's something
Lagging.
that lagging too much for a day trade." And I say, "Okay," so I never look at the RSI like for 3 years. Then Marie comes and like reincorporate the RSI and it's like, okay,
Goes all
now I have to pay attention to the RSI.
batty on the RSI.
But as you say, like none of them say the story complete. Is he tell you something, the other tell you another thing.
Exactly. And it's a combination, right, of all of those great knowledge and levels and turnarounds and like Zach. What he's doing.
Yeah, like at some point you get like some
Oh my God,
really
this is
reliable
it.
data. I'm gonna go and take a nap now. Just wake me up when this thing is done.
Okay, so go take a nap. I'll come and say, hey, Davey, we need to wrap it up.
Okay.
It's 9:20. It's 11:25.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, I think I have my last red day was Thursday, and last week was only one red day. It was a big one, but it was just one.
Oh, I thought it was before that. I thought it was like,
Was Tuesday?
I think it was Wednesday. Tuesday I was off.
I
came
had a very
Wednesday.
good day one day, and the day right after,
Okay, then it
was
must be
red.
Thursday, yes.
and like yeah. Friday was very small, like but was green. Man, Hood has like the high, well, Hood and Irene, but we don't, and Baba. What? How did I ignore Baba today?
What is
Oh,
Boba
it's not
doing?
my type of thing. We say Chinese ADR, so. Uh, yeah, Hood. Man, if Hood take off, it's gonna be pretty. So, but
Well,
the tape looking like on Hood. It's just because it does have high relative volume.
well, it's got high relative volume. It's got high volume.
And it's
As
looking like
well.
a rounded bottom.
And we've got the PCL, right? That's what PCL is around 150 from memory, of course. I'm not looking at it now. I am in a precarious price for Irene. that I'm either going to de-risk or add. But the stock, the price needs to do something for me. Seems to be manifesting, but we'll see.
Back to life, back to reality. Este amor que tú me has dado. So, yeah, effectively AMD is lagging behind, but
Does Zach have a trade?
I'm still on my IBID hold.
IBID long?
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, so this is what I was expecting Irene to do. Should I add? I won't worsen my price there. I would better my price. Okay, so what's SPY going to do?
Yeah, this section here is looking more like a trading floor now, right?
Right? I agree. I agree.
Now I get your memo.
You get your memo now? Okay.
In the future, we're gonna have Zach at the other side, in the other corner there.
Oh, did you hear that, Zach?
I hope so, man.
Yeah. Now we did some changes this weekend, and the other side is like I have to pick up all the things that I used for the setup, because I didn't have time to pick it up yet. But like this section here is really looking like a trading floor. So Marie was telling me that yesterday, and I kind of didn't get it, but like
Now you do.
now I do. Yeah, it's like,
Mhm.
it does look like.
Right? It's got that feel
Yeah.
of, hey, we're serious, people.
Like I'm pretty sure, but like you say, really, guys, do you need that many screens? But yes, we do.
Yeah. It's, oh, well, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 screens. So, yeah, we do have a lot of screens.
12 screen?
12.
Trading floor?
It's a trading floor. We've got 12 screens here.
A trading floor is defined by the number of screens you have.
Never mind the knowledge. Never mind what they're doing. We don't care if we can make money. But we look good. We got a lot of screens. But hey, you know what? I love it because what we're seeing as well with all these screens is, yeah, we even have a heat map, right? We've got a heat map that's really...
Well, like I think I'm like pure thing. Like I am saying what I am thinking, so I miss more charts. Like right now, if I want to look at SPY, I have to I have to change Nvidia or Tesla for a SPY.
Mm-hmm.
So, and then like for example,
Yeah, I've got a permanent SPY. Yeah.
this one is handle everything. Like we have one that is pretty much handling the tape, where you can see like your share size and profit accounts things. Then that one is a little bit wasted. There, I will agree on that one. But
Mm-hmm.
but yeah, each one have a different function. Why he didn't say AMD coming back up?
My long on the
RSI.
long on PLTR,
Mm-hmm.
working good.
Nice. Yeah, it's make lower high, higher low.
I got in right at like the bottom of. There's 3 bottom.
So you got it in the second one or the last one?
Second.
Like when?
Oh, yeah. This will be good if it does. Right about there. That would be amazing. Takes big cajon, but I think it'll be amazing.
Yeah. If you notice, the only trade I am not talking about it or even handling or doing anything, which one is it?
Tesla.
The Nvidia.
Oh,
Like, why? I made sure I got the best entry I can. I looked that it was extended, and it's like, it's just history. Like, I am doing poorly here by not taking partial. That I know. I would put the partials
yeah, put him there.
like it's just
Right, put the orders.
for some reason Nvidia is dead today pretty much, like, and it's probably gonna go to 165. So by taking partial in, then it's like less money, but whatever. So Nvidia, hey, the order seem to take partial on Nvidia.
Good job. At least you won't be beating yourself up. No, that's me. I beat myself up. If I miss a partial or...
Oh no, I do that too. Like sometimes I get pissed off because I didn't do what I supposed to do. So
Okay, my grain of sand. They are here. Nice.
tape accelerate a lot there, but since it didn't went that far,
Oh,
I don't know what is going on right there.
okay, good.
You got it?
Yes.
Perfect. Something hit the wire. I don't know what it was, but everything is accelerating a lot. So
Well, it's 11.
no, but there is no market that closes at 11. The one that closes is 11:30. So it shouldn't happen yet. That's why I say maybe news.
Let's go. Yeah, they're coming on board. Let's go. We've got orders, we've got tape. Took a while, but we're good. Let's go. Let's go. What I would like it to do is for it to go to 28.50.
Irene?
28.50 is 20 hours.
No, but Irene?
For Irene, 28.50 is 20 hours.
Freaking nice. Well, you got back on track on that one. Sometimes when you get like that liquidity, like the acceleration of the tape there, it lets you know a little bit of the selling pressure or buying pressure that some things have. Like for example, like let's forget about AMD because I know it was strong and it's still doing okay, but like Nvidia here, like the very mediocre there when that volume came in, like it really wicked, but it was so fast that it just got like hammered down again. So Nvidia is watch out for the downside. As I say, like I have my partial here. It's stress free because like yeah, it's I would say it's an A tray, A plus tray setup. Like of course from my entry, like not at the pro thing.
Oh, chip related.
The news? Haha, I knew that. I mean, I knew it was a news. It's just like Donald Trump is selling his billion in INTC. Did you hear about that?
Nvidia is launching a new chipset system that's going to be in play by the end of the year. So what were you saying?
Apparently, Trump bought $1 billion in bonds. That was a couple days ago, 2 days ago, or yesterday, I don't remember.
So guys, I need to go, but I will see you on Thursday.
Perfect. Have fun, my guy. Thank
Nice.
you for being here.
You
and,
bet. Great having you.
We have to take some time to talk about everything. So,
Okay.
have a good one.
Yeah, for sure.
See you Thursday. Enjoy.
You guys. Bye.
Bye. Let me see if I can
Hola,
fix
Dumbo.
my Discord.
Hola, Dumbo.
Inside es el miedo.
Come on, grain of sand. Excuse me.
Excuse you.
Excuse me. I'm looking forward for that little leftover cough
To
that
be
I've
gone?
got there. Yeah,
Hmm.
right. It's more annoying than anything.
Yeah, but like now we have to watch out because the temperature is not gonna help. Like it's getting cold already
Mhm.
again, so it's definitely not gonna help with that, you know.
Oh, 28's on board. What you gonna do?
When I come for you.
Nice. Oh yeah. Come on. Come on. Finally. Take a deep breath. Okay, let's go. Well, if that one there goes to there, it's going to be mental, Davey, mental. I'm looking forward to sharing my screen. We took a lot of.
We can do it from tomorrow if you want.
I'll adapt to my face already.
No, it's quite simple. It's like the Discord thing I asked you. Like you have the account because I have you as a contact on it. So you only have to install it
Okay.
and like I don't know if you are gonna be wanting to share your screen from the beginning or if you wanna share it only at the end. Like but whatever you decide to do, like you literally only have to say share screen with Davey, and you can specify that you only want one specific chart to be
Okay.
shown, or like you specify what you wanna share. So like it's
Ha ha ha. I took profit.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
spice on its move.
RSI now is quite high. That was good coffee. I finished it so long ago.
Nice. I like it too. Like since we changed it,
Mm-hmm.
I find whenever it, if it tastes different at any point, it's not a big gap between while the other was changing. Well, the last one, yeah, no, like the Kirlan was good as well.
The which?
The Kirlan,
Oh.
the one like before this one was Kirlan.
Mm-hmm.
The one wasn't that good was the Timmy's one. Like it's that was the one that was changing a lot. When you put your hands, your screen move, so your camera move too. But yeah,
I'm dancing.
just a bit.
Los sueños.
Yeah.
Mm. How are your trades doing?
It's okay. It's not doing fantastic, but I think I'm gonna have to be out of AMD. I'm gonna be. I will give a little cents above my entry. I just don't like if he wants to go higher. Like it's a very low risk now.
Okay.
Yeah. I will be willing to retake it. That's a for sure.
Okay.
So, but if he goes to my stop loss, I will be able to get a better price. So that's why I say. If I want a better price, like yeah, the seller is not there anymore, so I'm expecting it to get me out. Like I'm talking AMD right now, the seller seems to not be there. I'm not sure about that. So, but if that's the case, I'm gonna be looking at SPY or probably at Nasdaq to determine when I want to come back in. If you notice, I'm giving 15 cents stop loss to AMD,
Okay.
and like it's yet not getting me out. Now it will do it, I think. Like it's moving 5 cents against me. 8, 7, 9, 7, 6. So Nasdaq is a little bit trapping there. Yeah. If with the SPY testing the VWAP it doesn't get me, it will get me, but like,
You're not sure?
no, like the way it's looking, I'm debating if it's a right decision because it probably won't. Yeah, it is a right decision. But the fact that my stop loss is that tight is what is not correct.
Okay.
But I like it's okay. I just would try to get it a little bit bigger. Like if ever you get me. Yeah, there we go. You got me out. And as I say, I was expecting that, so so I have the order to get it back. If he goes there, I'm gonna be okay with that. But that's kind of what I'm talking about. If you see, is you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go on. Like, that's a better idea. And I will tighten my stop loss. So instead of giving a full stop loss,
Mm-hmm.
because it has the
Look at that range, right?
but that's what I mean. Like, there's a high chance that it won't get me at the entry I put before.
Okay.
Like I was offering 154.37, and that was to give it a full stop loss. So instead of doing that, I got I literally got 3 cents better price now, only 3 cents,
Okay.
and I just tied the stop loss and there we go. I'm thinking about an idea that is pretty cool, but like.
Nvidia 168. Hey, it's gonna be a you're long Nvidia. Okay.
Long for what?
Hey, no. Hey, you know what? 168.
You wanna balance the thing? You wanna bet that
168.30.
Nvidia is gonna print 166?
So.
You agree or not?
Wait, I just want to see where 168.30 is.
No, I'm saying it will go 166.
Yeah, but it's going to go to 168.30, which is going to be the PCL. Depending on what it does there, the RSI is quite high for.
No,
quite
but
a
my
low
question is
price
if you want to
section.
bet on it.
I know, I'm analyzing
You
right
got
now.
it, okay.
Hey, whoa. Hold the horses.
But do you know what is my entry for that short?
166.
Do
What's
you know
your
what is my
entry?
price?
For your short?
At what price I am shorting Nvidia?
168.50.
169.07.
Oh! Oh! Wow, that's a price. Nice. Okay. Wow. Yeah. PL, I need to let you go.
Let it go.
Look at you.
What happened?
What a price on Nvidia, eh? Poof! That was a wow. Those are big boy trades. Let's go. Oh, yeah, yeah, I'm finally going to get it.
What are you going to get?
Like, this is swimming. I am kayaking along a very slow, lazy river. But my discipline, control is going to give me some cash. But did Larry join us? No. A busy morning. Wow, we've got a 20. What? I'm quoting Davy. You're gonna be doing a shakeout move there. Seriously. Seriously.
Now I feel like breaking even on AMD. Like it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. It has touched the 154 8 times. So, but now it's accelerating toward the downside. Like I short the same price. I'm glad about it, but it's like probably breaking even makes sense in there just because of I think it's gonna break down through the VWAP. And if it doesn't do it with that momentum, it's like you don't probably wanna be there.
Pop there or I'm taking one. Guess who's gonna take a partial when it gets there? No, we're not gonna pick you up. No, we're not picking them up. They're late to the trade. Don't pick them up. You better not pick them up. I'm out if you pick them up. They should have been there. Excuse me. Mm-mm. You need to pop further. Come on, for that much, we're gonna go and pick them up. Such a small tick. Come on, small order, people. Oh. I'm gonna act like a maniac if it goes there.
What is that price?
28. Okay.
Just watch out, like SPY's going higher, the equities are not going that high, you know?
Well, SPY should retest the PCL and see what it's gonna go there.
What do you have as a PCL for SPY? It's okay, I'm gonna check it.
Yeah, 648, 85, 84? Is it?
Yeah, 648. Yeah, true. Cannot see it clear, but it's around there.
Yeah, I think
Yeah,
it's
it's
84.
just testing right now, right there.
Yeah, mm-hmm.
87 actually.
No.
No, 83.
Yeah, 83, 84, but no.
It's just the price is covering it.
Uh-huh, exactly. That's why it's hard, right?
Mm-hmm.
Me too. Wow, what an RSI. How upsetting that we're picking that person up.
That person or that machine, it could be either.
True.
So I'm gonna be wrapping that up. What do you think?
It's a great idea.
It's about 11:30, right? So, yeah, my Epic Pen is not working here, so in this chart, but I'm still gonna try to. Maybe if I bring it there, let's see. Let's bring it there. Epic Pen right here. Okay, so let's say I put it right here. Perfect. So it's not working. For whatever reason, it's just not working. So it's okay, I'm gonna keep it there. So I want to explain my trades because I'm gonna be wrapping this up. So today I have only trade Tesla, AMD, and Nvidia. So on Nvidia, I took an entry at 169. Like I went short at 169, 169.04. Once it moved in my favor, I put the stop at break even. The reason why I have a stop at break even yet is because my target for Nvidia is 165. So if it goes to 166, and I actually have an order to start taking partial on that because I have to be responsible with my trading. So like that's part of being responsible, taking those partials. So, but very good trade on Nvidia here. I just have to make sure I don't let it go back up against me. Well, it will get me just out, but I intentionally held that trade, and I said I was going to partial in the other trades. So like the other I took was Tesla, and Tesla, it worked, but I didn't took partial at the 350, though I see the sizes at the tape. And like now it just got me out with a small loss, like very long ago, like before 10 actually. So insignificant loss in there on Tesla, but yeah, just not happy about that not working. So then we have AMD. In this one I have been very active, but not that I have a strong conviction, because like I had a very critical level that I was looking at, and like before the market opened I was trying to get long, but I just didn't get long at the price I didn't get long, I think. Even yeah, I haven't took any long, I only went short. I'm green on the stock, but like I'm more green in the P&L. It's just I am expecting this to go way lower, so it's not that price yet. So basically I went short here by mistake, then I liquidated right away. Like I pressed the wrong hotkey and I made a little profit in there. But then I shorted here, partial here, add to the short, and then I got out right here and I reloaded. Like I said, I know I can get a better price. So if you see, I adjust the price on the one 3 times.
Hey.
So that's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
So then I shorted again, and I got out with a 15 cents stop loss. And then I just short here, but then when I shorted the double, because I say I know what you're doing, and
You're topping there.
yeah, and I put the tighter stop loss, but I short double whatever I was shorting before, and now I'm expecting this to go away 52.80. You have to go down a little bit more, my guy, and like, but I'm doing good in all of them, so I could close my position and walk away for the day.
Okay.
But probably I would do that soon, but because I don't want to hold positions for the whole afternoon. But we are definitely doing very good here, and that's it for me. Those were my trades. I just have to liquidate some of them. What about you, Marie? I know
Okay.
you trade SBET, I think it was, and Irene.
Okay, so now I'm just going to on you. I'm done with so Irene was I placed my orders. So on all of the trades that I've got right now, these were orders that were placed. So I think short of PL. So PL, I did not place them. Well, I did in ahead of time. You know what? I'm gonna break even you, and so I can talk about the positions. Okay, so right now Irene. So Irene, I took it at the open, and it was at 28.50 that I took it. I did not believe even that it was going to pull back to there. So was I wrong? So 28.50. I took it at 28.50. Then it was pulling back, so I added at 28.30. Added at 28. Added at 27.40. Added at 27.40 again when it popped back up. Took my partial at 28.50. Took a double partial then at 28.50 again. I added at the VWAP. I de-risked as well at the VWAP, looking and said, it's going to pull back again, and I'm not liking this. So instead, I de-risked when it was popping, and I added on the pullback. So I added again on 27.50. So I started with a price of 28.70, and right now I am trading at 27.88.
Okay.
So I was able to almost better my price by $1, and so I was able to take some profit there. So right now it's not negative, but I'm really thinking of breaking even. I'm liking the fact that it's consolidating a little bit around the 28. 28 has been the bane of my existence. Now, that being said, I'm looking at the tape, and there seems to be a lot of buyers, but at a lower price. So I'm not liking that right now.
Yeah, normally they will be patiently buying
Correct.
lower and lower, so I'm like,
Correct.
That's
So
normally
I
not good.
might be, we'll see. Like I said, I've got a good price right now. Am I going to break even? That could definitely be a possibility. So SBED.
that was the
Yes,
one that
but-
I had the best hope for SBET because it was looking decent.
Absolutely. I thought so too. I'm glad I got out of it, because when we're looking at SBED, it never went back to the 1650. So I took it at the PCL, almost 45. I added when it pulled back to the VWAP. I added again when it pulled back to the 1580. I added at 1585 actually, really bettering my price. But I got out at a one loss. That was it, and then
And
I
then
let
you
it
didn't
go.
touch it again.
Then it never touched it
Yeah.
again. So I got out at a 1 hour loss. And then I said, poof, oh no, that's not true. I gave it another shot and I got out. So then at that point there, I said, okay, you know what? There's too much volatility. It seemed to be caught in a range. I had difficulty reading that tape. So I said, you know what? We're going to let go. And I let go.
And those
So-
were you trade PL too?
Yeah, I've got PL right now. So PL right now, 9 is really big. So am I gonna hold till 9? I think it's a possibility. I could be reloading at 9 actually. Irene, I didn't break even. We still reacting to the 28. But PL here at 9, I'd like to see what it's going to do. It might have enough to pull back a little bit, but it needs to pop at 9, or even front run it at 904, 905. We've got some orders. And if not, well, I guess that would be a slap fail on PL.
Okay. Yeah. It's funny because this thing was so strong, so
And
yeah.
it's trading below the P. But what I'm liking right now is if you're looking at the volume candles, if you're looking at the MACDs and you're looking at the RSI, it seemed to have found a little bit of a bottom there. And
Yeah.
we knew that 9059 is a consolidating price. So I'm hoping from there that it's gonna pop. Do I want to add?
Man, my trades,
Hmm?
my trades are killing it. This is insane. It's
Look at that P&L.
yes, and I haven't taken anything. You know, like I did took here and there, but like
Woo!
it's
Go, Davey, go.
yes,
So for
like
me,
Spice so weird, man.
yeah. So for me, what happened is that it's like when I'm looking at Irene, if I would have went in, never believing it was going to pull back to there. It was on the tape, but it wasn't big enough on the tape for me to think, hey, you know what, you're going to pull back to that 27 level. And it did. It pulled back quite aggressively. And I never thought that we had enough momentum to there. So I'm glad I bettered my price on Irene and I was able to get out of that cute little hole I digging myself in there. But I still believe that it's got momentum to be able to...
I think the market is not cooperating in general,
Yes.
like because the SPY keep tanking and yeah. So yeah, that's gonna be anything else.
No, that's it.
So that's gonna be everything for today.
Great trading, Davey.
Yeah, like we have been doing
Kicked
quite
it.
well lately, and it's good. So it's good to see that. Hey, we don't study for nothing. So you know. So yeah, I just hope everybody have a good day. We're definitely gonna be here tomorrow, and yeah, Marie is also like today she may have a couple hiccups, but she's doing fantastic in general. Like we're gonna be sharing her screen very soon, because she definitely have a lot to say about her trades, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
I hope everybody have a good day, and we're definitely gonna be here tomorrow. So what is that thing? Okay, right there. So I hope everybody have a good one. We're gonna be here tomorrow. See you then. Bye.